Well, well, well. Look at what I came home to. It looks like a destroyed yogurt container. Uh-huh. Some very suspicious little dog teeth marks there. Let's see who did this. Bailey? Was it you? Was it you, Bailey? Coco? Coco? Did you do it? Huh? Bailey's looking pretty innocent right now. Coco? 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 Did you eat that yogurt container? Coco? Did you eat the yogurt container?